Hello, foodies. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have a delectable treat for you. We'll be making a creamy and delightful Italian dessert, panna cotta. But wait, there's more. We'll be sharing some fascinating unknown facts about this beloved dessert. Panna cotta is a true crowd pleaser, but do you know where it originated? It hails from the beautiful country of Italy. Its name literally translates to cooked cream in Italian. Now, for our first unknown fact, did you know that panna cotta is often served in Italy during Christmas? It's a popular festive dessert that adds a touch of elegance to holiday celebrations. Next, we'll add half a cup of granulated sugar and stir until it dissolves into the cream. As we do, here's another interesting tidbit. Panna cotta was originally created as a poor man's dessert because it was made with simple and inexpensive ingredients. However, its rich taste and velvety texture made it a hit, transcending its humble origins. To infuse our panna cotta with a heavenly aroma, we'll add a teaspoon of pure vanilla extract. Did you know that vanilla is the most expensive spice after saffron? Its addition elevates the flavor profile of our dessert, making it even more delightful. As our cream mixture gently heats up, let's uncover another fascinating fact. Panna cotta is believed to have originated in the Piedmont region of Italy. However, its exact origin story remains a mystery, adding to its allure and charm. Here's an intriguing fact. Gelatin, the key ingredient that gives panna cotta its perfect consistency, is derived from collagen. Collagen is a protein found in animal connective tissues. It undergoes a process of extraction, purification, and drying to create the gelatin we use in our desserts. Now that our gelatin has bloomed, let's whisk it into the cream mixture until it dissolves completely. Here's a surprising fact. Traditionally, panna cotta was set using fish bones, which contain natural gelatin. It wasn't until later that powdered gelatin became the popular choice. Here's an interesting fact. Panna cotta is often served unmolded onto a plate, showcasing its silky texture. But you can also serve it directly in the glasses, like we're doing today. And that's a wrap on our video exploring the unknown facts about panna cotta. We hope you've enjoyed this delicious journey through history and learned something new along the way. Buon appetito!